Hello dear students, welcome back. Okay, let us continue the problems. Question number 11. Let A is equal to n cross n and star be the binary operation on A defined by order pair A comma B star order pair C comma D is equal to the order pair A plus C comma B plus D. Operation is defined as like that. Okay, show that star is a commutative and associative. Find the identity element for the star on A if any exist. Okay, so let us see the solution. A is equal to n cross n and operation is A comma B star C comma D is equal to the A plus C B plus D. We have to check associativity and commutativity, and we have to find the identity element for the operation star if it exists. Okay, right. Just first commutative. Okay, so let us consider two order pairs A comma B and C comma D belongs to the A, where A, B, C and D belongs to the n. A means n cross n, order pair belongs to the Cartesian product n cross n, and individual elements A, B, C and D belongs to the set of natural numbers. Okay, so commutativity A comma B star C comma D is equal to the, it is defined as A plus C and B plus D, right? So this is, we can write it as a C plus A D plus B, we can write it as. Okay, so this is nothing but a C comma D star A comma B. So A comma B star C comma D is equal to the C comma D star A comma B. Therefore star is commutative. Star is commutative on A. Okay, let us see associative. Okay, let us consider three order pairs A comma B, B comma C, C comma D, E comma F belongs to the A. Okay, and A, B, C, D, E and F belongs to the set of natural numbers. Order pairs are always belongs to the Cartesian product, and A, B, C, D, E, F individual elements belongs to the set of natural numbers. First write the ABC. This AB star C D bracket star EF. Okay, this is equal to the, we can write it as a, so this is nothing but according to the definition A plus C B plus D bracket star E comma F, right? Now this is equal to the A plus C plus E B plus D plus F, addition of first elements of the Cartesian product. Okay, right. This is RHS side. Now A comma B star B comma C comma D star E comma EF. Okay, this is equal to the a comma b as it is, star c comma d e comma f. Okay, first solve this bracket, c plus e d plus f, c plus e d plus f. Okay, now apply the operation for this, a plus c plus e, a plus c plus e comma b plus d plus f, right? So compare these two, a plus c plus e, b plus d plus f. Okay, both RHS are same, then their LHS always equal. Therefore a comma b star c comma d star e comma f is equal to the a comma b star c comma d star e comma f. This, so therefore star is associative operation. So therefore star is associative on set EA, that is Cartesian product n across En. So now we have to check the identity for this. Okay, so an element of Cartesian type, an element E equal to the E1 comma E2 may be the may be identity for star on A, may be identity for star on EA. Okay, so if what is the identity definition? E star E equal to A equal to E star EA. If it holds it, then only it is a identity element. That is, so that is A1 plus E1 comma A2 plus E2 equal to A1 comma A2 is equal to the E1 plus A1 E2 plus E2. So according to the definition of identity element, I wrote using the Cartesian product A1 plus E1, A2 plus E2. Here A star E is there, here A1 plus E1, A2 plus E2 is equal to A1 plus A2, A only A I wrote. This only reverse, E1 plus A1, E2 plus A2, A1 comma E2. So this is not possible. This is not possible because if A plus 0 equal to A means E is equal to 0. So here 0 doesn't belongs to the set of natural numbers, therefore identity doesn't exist. Therefore identity doesn't exist for star on set of Cartesian product n cross n on set EA, because 0 doesn't belong to the n. To hold this, we should need E1 E2 equal to the 0, but 0 doesn't belong to the set of natural numbers, therefore identity doesn't exist for star on set of natural number Cartesian product n cross n or set EA. Okay, right. Number 12, state whether the following statement are true or false. So there are two statements here, we have to decide they are true or false. First one, for an arbitrary binary operation star on a set n, A star A is equal to A for all A belongs to N. So I have to check this is true or false. Okay, so let us see. They mentioned one word, arbitrary, for an arbitrary binary operation. So it means we can consider any binary operation and compare it with this given binary operation. Okay, define an operation. Define an operation. I am only considering define an operation star on n as star on n as a star b equal to the a star b equal to the a plus b for all a comma b belongs to the set of n natural numbers. Then so if I put a particular number, then in particular cases, in particular if a is equal to b is equal to 3, a is equal to b is equal to 3, so 3 star 3 is equal to the 3 plus 3 is equal to the 6, 3 plus 3 is equal to the 6. So see, this is not equal to the 3. The operation is a star a is equal to the a star a is equal to the, I got 6, that is not equal to the 3 again. So this is the operation I have only defined because for any arbitrary operations they mentioned, for any arbitrary operation, that's why I mentioned one operation and do it as it is and compared with this because a star a equal to a star a is not equal to the a, therefore the given statement is false, given statement is false. Okay, next, star is a commutative binary operation on n. Then so they given this one, I will consider this right hand side RHS C star B star EA. Okay, this is equal to the, as it is commutative we can interchange these two, B star C star A, because star is commutative, star is commutative. Okay, now see, this is one element and this is another element. As the star is commutative we can interchange these two, that is A star B star C, right? See, this is A star B star C only, this is equal to the LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS is right, therefore this statement is true, this statement is true. We got LHS equal to RHS because therefore it is a true statement. Okay, first one is a false statement, second one is a true statement, right? Okay. See the next question. Consider a binary operation star on n defined as a star b is equal to the a cube plus b cube. Choose the correct answer. Okay, answers are option A, star is both associative and commutative. Option B, star is commutative but not associative. Option C, star is associative but not commutative. Option D, star is neither commutative nor associative. Okay, so let us check associativity and commutativity. Okay, so operation is a star b equal to the a cube plus b cube for all ab belongs to the set of natural numbers. Okay, so I will write it as a b star a is equal to the b cube plus a cube. So both are same, a cube plus b cube and b cube plus a cube both are same, therefore a star b is equal to the b star a. It means star is commutative, star is commutative. Okay, let us check associativity. Okay, A star B star C is equal to the A star B means A cube plus B cube star C, right? This is equal to this is one element, this is second element. A cube plus B cube bracket cube plus C cube. This is A star B bracket star C. Okay, now A star B star C, this is equal to the A star as it is, B star C can be written as B cube plus C cube, B cube plus C cube. This is equal to the A star B, it is like A star B, A cube plus B cube C cube whole bracket cube. See, these two are different. Okay, therefore A star B star C is not equal to the A star B star C. Therefore star is not, it is not associative. Star is not associative. Then the right option is both associative and not associative and commutative, not right. Second one is commutative but not associative. So second option is the right answer. Okay, dear students, so this completes your relation and function chapter. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask for me doubts, and please try to solve the miscellaneous examples also. Okay, thank you.